Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be coming to you with a fall recipe and it is my 3-bean chili. This is great for the fall time, it's great for the winter time, and it's very simple to make and will last you a few days. We're going to start off by cutting 1 green pepper. Right now you just see me cutting the core out the green pepper. This is how I like to do it. Just cut around the core and pull it out. So you're going to chop up your green peppers, but you don't want to chop it up too fine, too small. I just dice them out. Then you're going to chop up 1 yellow onion. And it should be about this size. You're just gonna need 1 yellow onion chopped up. Then you're gonna use 4 teaspoons of minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic. I'm just drizzling some olive oil. And I'm gonna pour my ground turkey in. This is about 1.5 pounds of ground turkey. I'm just adding some salt. And I'm adding my pepper. And I will have the exact measurements listed below in the description box. And then I'm going to add some Worcester sauce because ground turkey tends to be really dry, so you want to add that moisture back in. And then you're going to go in with some chili powder. I'm going to add a few red pepper flakes. I'm going to add some cayenne pepper, some Italian seasoning, and some cumin powder. You're going to let that cook. You're going to add your green peppers, onions, and garlic. And then you're just going to stir that in. Alright, now as you can see, it is all cooked. And you might see some Worcester sauce left over, and that's fine. You're going to add 1 large can of crushed tomatoes. I'm just going to go back and add some garlic powder. I'm gonna go back and add some more cumin powder because I needed to add a little bit more. I'm gonna add our can of black beans in, and we're gonna add 1 can of red kidney beans. And finally, we're gonna add 1 can of pinto beans, and we're gonna stir that up nice and good. After that, we're going to chop up a handful of cilantro, and it's going to give it that nice flavor that you're looking for. I'm going to stir that up. Then finally, we're going to squeeze 1/2 lime. I really recommend that you do not skip this step. It gives the chili so much flavor. But that is it. That is our 3-bean chili. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. My son, he's 3 years old, and he enjoyed it. Although I added the red pepper flakes and cayenne powder, you did not taste it at all. It was not spicy at all, but had just enough flavor. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to see more videos. Enjoy.